Changing the bulb on a Dodge Ram 1500 is not difficult. I'll show you the easiest way. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel DIY. Today I'm going to work on my truck, a 1500 Ram 2024. I'm going to change the headlight bulb to an LED one. Auxito sent me the bulb, so this one is an LED light. I'm going to install it on my truck and review it. So let's get to it. Right now the bulb on my truck is an halogen one, and it's a standard one that comes with many trucks, and newer cars come with LED. My truck doesn't have the LED bulb, so I'm going to install this and review it at night. Let's start by popping up the hood and start removing the headlight assembly from the driver's side. Just a quick note that it's not like previous older models that where you can change a bulb just by putting your hand behind the headlight assembly. This one you have to remove the assembly completely because there are some screws at the back for the cover you have to remove. In my previous video you will see how I remove the headlight assembly. I tried to install the Auxito LED. The other time the one that I was trying to install was the wrong part, so Auxito sent me the wrong part the first time, and now I emailed them and they sent me the right part. The one that I got before was an H8 bulb, so my truck requires an 9005 HB3. So I'm going to install this one. This is a correct bulb. I'm going to install it and review it. As I mentioned in my previous video, to remove the headlight we have one bolt here and we have one inside, and at the back here we have a clip. We have to remove this cover and we have a clip inside that we have to pull down, and the headlight you just pull it outside. It's the same thing on the passenger side. So I'm going to remove both headlights and will install the bulb. In my previous video you will see that I remove this clip and pull up this cover, but actually you don't need to. So you still have access to the bolt and the bolt inside. Now we can pull the headlight out, so we just need to wiggle it back and forth and we will be able to remove it. Just like that, the headlight is out, so you can remove the plug, unplug it, just like that. At the back we have 5 8mm bolts that we have to remove. 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm just using my socket and driver, and just like that you will be able to remove the headlight cover. And this one is a low beam, this one is a high beam. Both uses the same bulb, 9005. To remove the bulb is very easy. You just need to pull up on this tab and pull at the same time, just like that, and you will be able to disconnect it, and you twist it counterclockwise, the bulb will just come out. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The box feels very nice, like high quality. And to make sure, this is a 9005 HB3. We have a pair of gloves, we have some O-rings, zip ties, double-sided tapes, we have a manual, and we have the bulb with the driver. So if you check the manual, it says this bulb, when you install it on the housing, it should face 9 and 3 o'clock. And if it's not facing 9 and 3 o'clock, there's a screw down here, and they gave you the key. It's an Allen key. You have everything in the kit that you need. You can loosen it and adjust this so that it faces like this, 9 and 3 o'clock. It should not be like this or like this or like this. So let's see if this will work for me on my headlight or not, else we have to adjust it. Okay, so I have the headlight. This is a low beam. Let's try test fit the bulb first before adjusting anything. Okay, this one fit perfectly fine, so I'm just putting the driver inside just like that. and I'll try to put the cover to see if it closes before I do any connection and everything. So after fitting the bulb in and the cover does fit, now I'm going to remove the bulb and see if it aligns 9 and 3 o'clock. So for it to be 9 and 3 o'clock, the LED should face like this and like this on my headlight. So this is the front, so the bulb should face like this. The light should point this direction and this direction. If it's not good, then we need to adjust this. So on mine, when I put the bulb and twist it, so it's becoming like this. So I need to adjust it so that it points 9 and 3 o'clock. So I made a mark where the light is pointing right now. It's pointing in this direction, so I need to move it to this direction. We have an Allen screw, so just put the Allen key that is provided, untighten it just a little bit. Once you loosen the Allen key, you are able to move this. Just like that, you can move it out. So you have to adjust it according to your headlight. Mine, I need to move it. I move it a little bit too much, so I have to adjust it again, just like that. Perfect. So now it aligns. So the mark that I make, it aligns with the mark on the headlight. So now it's facing this direction and this direction. Next you take this and plug it to the headlight. So we have a positive and negative. So I'm guessing the green one is a positive and the black one is a negative. So I just plug it in. And before putting everything inside, so I'm going to place the headlight in the car and turn on the headlight and see if it's working. So look how bright it is. So there is the light here, and in the middle there is nothing. So that means it's pointing this direction and this direction. That's the correct way. This is a yellow light. This is 6500K. So I put the double-sided tape. I'm going to stick it over here so that it's not touching anything. And I will tuck in the cables inside here. Will that stay in place? I'm not sure yet, so I'm going to put everything back and maybe come back after a few months and see if it's still there. I'm going to put back the cover in the reverse order. Next, I'm going to plug back the plug for the headlight. It clip. And this metal thing should go in here. See, this is a tab that goes up and down that locks the headlight. Now it's locked at the bottom. Push it up, it unlocks. Put it back. It should go on this side. Push it, you can hear it, you can feel it that it went in the hole there. Now I'm going to put back the 2 screws and push down the lock at the back. And just like that, the driver side is done. So now I'm going to do the passenger side. On this side too, we have one 10mm bolt on top and one at the bottom. And again, we have to remove the clip at the back. Same thing on the right side, we have to remove the cover. On this side, the arrow is pointing a different direction. It's like pointing 2 o'clock. So we need to put this bulb in the pre and 9 position. I adjusted the light so that it pointed 3 and 9 o'clock. Now it's good. Actually, you don't need to remove the grill. I saw many people removing the grill and then removing all these covers to get the headlight out. Actually, you don't need to do that. And the fun fact is, a good thing about the bulb is that it has a fan and it doesn't make any loud noise. You can't even hear it. Some LED bulb I have installed in the past on other vehicles, and once you put on the headlight, it starts making noise like a grinding noise, and it's very loud and very inconvenient. So far I like it, and if you guys want to buy the bulb, I put down the link where you can buy it from Auxito, so you can use my discount code to get a discount on the bulb also when you're purchasing for your vehicle. So before I end the video, let's go for a drive and I will show you the before and after with the halogen bulb and the LED bulb, what the difference is.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can't we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all fades away. Let me climb up your mountain. Let me search through your valleys. I got my eyes wide open. Baby, don't hide. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you.
As you can see, there is no engine light on, and from outside when you check it, there is no flickering. It's all working fine. Some LED bulb give a warning light on the dash, but this one is fine. No warning light on the dash, and it's very good. And until then, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button, like and share.